everybody, this is me, Janada Virgil. I just got done filming my review on Jeffree Star's The Gloss. And I want to show you my little studio that I built. Uh, Most of the products came from Wish.com. And I got me a background drop, and this is the sheet. This is just a regular bed sheet that I use for my background. I got these little clamps up here from Wish.com. I'm going to show you my lighting. Okay, this is my lighting. Well, this is my camera. This is a really good quality camera. This is a T7i Canon camera that I use, and I have different lenses for it. And these are my ring lights. This one I made. I will link the girl who I watched her video at the bottom on how I made this one. She's really good. I didn't film me making this ring light, so I'm gonna link hers video at the bottom that I use to make that ring light. Actually, I made two, but I didn't use it. And these three smaller ring lights I ordered from Wish.com. Yeah. And this is my studio. And my cords at the bottom. My makeup over here. That's my daughter's house. My granddaughter's house, I'm sorry. Not my daughter's. And this, oh my, excuse my hand. This is my studio. Now that I have where I will film my videos. Okay, so yeah, I want to show you really quick how, if you're interested in getting started and making content for YouTube, it doesn't take much, you know. You can make your ring light, get your camera, even get your phone. I'm recording now from my this is my cell phone, so this quality is from my iPhone. You see it here. I hope I'm looking in the camera on my iPhone. I don't record from my iPhone as much, so I'm trying to look at you and the camera lens. So my eyes are all over the place because I'm trying to find where the camera is so I can look directly at you. But this is my studio and I'm proud of it. And this is where I build my content. Before, I used my other area because I do my wig videos. And I know you've seen my girls over here in some of my other videos. They're still here because I'm still the wig queen. Yeah, I'm in an apartment. So I gotta make it do what it do. Let me give it a little light so you can see my girls, my beautiful girls. They're still over here. So when I get ready to do a different background, I'll move over here. But right now, okay, I see the camera now. Right now, I am moved my studio to my living room area. And this is it right here in my living room. And this is where I'll be making my content for YouTube. And I'm proud of it. So you have any questions, please comment down below. And I will answer them as soon as I can. As soon as I get the notice, as soon as I see them. So yeah, I followed Sean, what's his name? I want to show you what the guy's name that I followed about a year ago on YouTube. He helped me out a lot. Let me show you. Okay, this is his name, Sean Carnell. I followed him like from last year. So ever since I started my channel here, I started following this dude, and he has helped me out a lot. So I give my YouTube success, part of it, to him. I'm gonna keep part of it myself because I'm banging out the content. But yes, follow Sean Carnell. I will link his channel or his page down below. He helped me get started. He can help you. Somehow this dude, he stalked me from my Instagram, on my Facebook. I see this guy on YouTube. I just see all of his news feeds, and it's just in my face, in my face, in my face. And I thank you for it, Sean. Thank you. So I am proud of my little studio. I just have to not procrastinate and be more persistent in getting my videos out. And good vibes. Mr. Rogers says good vibes. So, yeah, this video is posted for you. The video just got finished filming the glosses review, and also the blood sugar palette review. It's not posted here on YouTube, but it's posted on my page on Facebook because I filmed it live. You have to go there to see it. So yeah, I'm proud of me. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Peace.